Me did Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring 1 man come near too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
For money about a case capa and a mutimini, a kind of a jumedi and a bread, a cruise to 7 day, ever soon too much actual for any etsy for that. I was here for a free dan. Yeah, one abos and I say, young papanum MPC, one more to about for Speaker of Parliament, a woman a year Alban, backbench, sell one known, and a MMD, and as one name, Casa, Maya Casama for our Parliament, one no. MPP amanyo kondudo na do womu tsa egu womu tie ne wobehunu ema womu esu mema womu esu chese wobi eti ni suom ni nyina ye se NDC ni a chese woni mampanyi na nada kwakufado baba be ye adwuma no omu ni se bre na womu MPP anase nanado wo baba be bre ye chese atete na nanado baba be fam ye bebo bo ni nyoma anase nyoma ohune se ebeboa wo man so nya de beto on board pe ene o NDC for beboa to agu now masa kwa kunya speaker krampo asa ka ho de ne na chesa asem na asem na na do nya de se ni so ade hunu ni decisions ni bibia wo ode beba abontin bia no ebetimi abam enti dodo na beka se MPP amanyoko no wo mo second term de wo mentimi anya hwe amboa wo man no na so na NDC form na edi wo mo abrosa na Ghana for dodo na eka wo busuafo nya mensem na mede etuja nanso ene dai die ye nua bema ye papa ye nana ya de nyina a woda dankwa institute found ye founder no ye papa Gabi Asare Ochre dakun wa ba ababa bekasa na nensem a wode etudwa de wono de o se enti we na Ghana fo ne MPP amanyoko no musu anase we na ye modadwe we na ye mokwada na we na ye matete enu nti no mo pobna se de bibi obi ewu anase brichi kese bi esi wo maimu Alban bagbena ye yi no so onu na ye speaker of parliament woni manana do ye mampanyi betimi aye adwuma kama emfunso baako anase chese ye bibi boni bi anyeden esi wo ye a perfect match for your mampanyi his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo na wonchum no say even though so ye NDC nanso so eno enchire say because so ye NDC ntino omo ayi no na wogina mu edema NDC amanyo politi ni DM wo Frank Atuni ye former president John Dramani Mahama beka na wo be ye da bi onjim dida sesa na Alban Bagbin wo be baba be ye no ewo oman no emu anase mrahye fie ewo no enti wo nka wo makoma emfa ento wo mu na ebusuafo say and what the nsem no etu eja o say yes he is true green NDC. If the nation must have a speaker from the opposition who can be expected not to unduly frustrate the work of government, then Bagbin is he. He has maturity. He has experience. He does not dislike Akufo Addo. In fact, the two have always enjoyed mutual respect for each other. He has just retired from active politics, even though he holds the nomination of his party. I do not expect Mr. Speaker to go against the national interest in order to satisfy a JM agenda. And he can be his own man. I am inclined to believe him when he says he will serve the nation with honesty. Serving the nation also means helping the party elected to implement the manifesto platform upon which it campaigned and got given the mandate of the people. The MPP remains the majority in parliament and drives the agenda of the executives and requires the full professional cooperation of the speaker. For now, the jury is still out, but it cannot be gloomy as some may fear. I hope it will be a good for Ghana, for that is the ultimate interest. Yeah, Papa, yeah, Ochre, dakon ne nsɛm no sei ɛna wɔde ɛto ɛyɛ edwa awo ne sɛ ɛnya deɛ sɛ yɛyɛ papa Alban Babrin wobetimi akase because of say NDC any womo frankatuni John Dramani Mahama ene ma womo akonya na so womo to aba ede ema no ma nitimi ebebenya speaker no enu nti no de womo beka ena womo ebeye de biara da wonim se Alban de woyi nipa anase obi a wonim de na wo respect emra na wo bu ye mampanyi ntoma ye mampanyi adwuma enye den emfa emma no de biara eda na ebiem nso no still na MPP eye majority ewo eye mrahebedwafie na ade bia wo mo de baba eye on board no enso so no se wo mo ede ba ebeboa nko ade wonye sure say ye papa Alban Babrin ebebo ede atu egu all because of say wonye eye Mahama agenda fa emanu de biara eda no do wo ne se ye papa Alban Babrin obetimi aboa ama ye adwuma ye mampanyi ebedi no wo man mu no etimi ayede SCP esita na branch se wo kire mu anase wo gitu mu sem obeserve eye wo man no with honesty no wo no wo hu ye na wo susu ye na wonim se eye den yam se mampanyi Ghana fo ene to aba ede ema no enko edem na se ye yi no na wo ye mampanyi no susu no ne mandates anase ne nsama wo troyem ewo ne manifesto mu no wonim pefe se eye no ene wasa wonye because eye no ne ma nipa ni gina so anati memfo ni gina so ede to aba ede ema no enti enye because of say speaker of parliament free NDC ntino na mampanyi ne manifesto entimi enye den embe mu de biara da wase no de ensi eye echina enti Ghana for any MPP for wo mo enka wo makoma emfa enso wo yem se adwuma ye de ama eye Alban Babrin no wo be ma ye mampanyi enso dwumedie no aye fofofo na aye kama ede amanu na abusuafo ye de ensem no esi ewa ahanu no wonsusu wone ye papa Gabi ochre dako eye adwen anansa wone no enye adwen for adwen twa wo fa ensem yi ho ebetu eye eja tuma gh comment section like videos na share all the social media platform so ekeskapa enemy that's the name ye besane share